In a peaceful place in Denmark, we find Henriette Kildegaard. She moved here recently, where a beautiful fireplace was installed by the previous owners and ensured a cosy atmosphere. Unfortunately, she soon experienced inconveniences with her fireplace.
I had some trouble when I was lighting the fire. It could be hard to get the fire going. There's actually a pretty good draft in the chimney, but the startup was difficult sometimes. And then also I have a ventilation system in the house. So sometimes when you open the glass, I would get smoke in the living room. Not a lot, but just the smell of it was annoying me. And that was the reason that I had the chimney fan installed. The control of the chimney fan is so easy. You have the remote control, and also you can use it from your phone. So it's really simple. You press the button when you want to turn on the fire, and then it turns itself down afterwards, after a couple of minutes. So it's as simple as can be. Anybody can do it.
How was the process of installing the chimney fan?
It was really easy, actually. I just bought it, and then the electrician came and installed it on the roof. It took, I don't know, half a day, and then it's been running ever since.
Do you also experience inconveniences with your fireplace? Then solve it once and for all with an Exodraft chimney fan. Learn more at exodraft-chimneyfans.co.uk and find a retailer near you.